on. We have it nice and cleaned up as best as we can. We have these little spacers that go on there. Then this rubber gasket. The stick shift itself. This ball has to go down into the cup that's down there, and this groove lines up with there's like a bolt that sticks through there. There we go. Next, we have this plate. It has an indent here that goes around the ball there. Next, we have another rubber washer. And then this cup. And some lock washers. And finally some nuts. We'll be taking the stick off later to put the engine and the transmission back in the car, but for now, I need it on there for testing and stuff.